Good morning children. Welcome back to our EVS class day 4. Okay, lesson number 3. What's the name of the lesson? Care for our body. Okay, you all remember the main objectives of this lesson, main points why we learn this lesson also. Cleanliness, healthy and fitness of our body. We have learned all these things. Okay, yesterday we have done 2 activities of alphabets in the circle time. Now today we are going to do the circle time, exercise C and D, do with fun activity and activity and project. Okay, do with fun activity is sticker activity which you like all of you. So these exercises are in textbook page 26 and 27. Okay, all of you open this. You can keep your colors ready. Okay, and now listen. Now first listen carefully the activities. There are many activities in this 2 pages which we are going to do. Okay, make a chart showing how you get ready for the day. Every day morning how you will get ready. So from morning getting up from there to how you will get ready till then. You have to, what activities you do, you have to show in a paper or in a chart or in your EVS homework book, or we call it as activity book. One side rule notebook like drawing book it is there, no, activity book, homework notes. In that also you can do in the white page. Okay. So collect and paste pictures from old books. You have senior KG, junior KG books. Yes or no? From that you can cut the brushing picture, bathing picture, okay, and combing picture you can paste. Yes, these are all activities from when you wake up till you get ready. You will do lots of activities. Eating the breakfast you can cut and paste. Okay, from old books. No need of buying. You can collect the pictures from the old books or from the newspaper or from the Sunday magazine, any book, any pic. We can see what that activity is related to your activity. Morning you will do means you can cut. Exercise. Okay, exercise picture, any picture you can. You may even draw. If you don't get the pictures, you can draw also. So try to get the pictures because it's difficult for you to draw. Okay. Name the actions like wake up, brushing teeth, take a bath, dress up. I told you now, brushing picture. Okay. You can draw a toothpaste and a tongue cleaner, and you can write there brushing activity. No need of drawing the face and all. If you know, you can try to draw. That's good also. Okay. And taking bath, like taking a boy is taking like a bathing, that pic or drawing you can do. Dressing up, like wearing the dress, and wake up from morning from the bed. You will get up like this. Yes or no? That picture, and brushing teeth picture. All these pictures you can collect from the old books and paste in your EVS HW. That means activity book. Okay, in the white page. Neatly you have to write the lesson name. What is the lesson name? You have to write this in the EVS activity book or HW, what I am saying. In that book white page, there is a black line like this, border like. Yes, in that page. Yes, like this paper will be there. Yes or no? In the EVS HW or activity book, like a drawing book it is looking like. Okay, so parents, you can show them. The border will be there like this on the white page. On the top of the black line, you make them to write lesson number and heading. Okay, heading here, lesson number 3. Care for our body. Neatly write. And what activity you are doing? Circle time activity. Yes, so circle time. CIRCLE, circle time. TIME, time. Next heading. And what is the exercise? C exercise you are doing. So, C. Like this you have to put. And on which date you are doing? The date also you have to put here. Okay? Date also you have to put. Okay? And you have to do. I will give 5 marks for this activity. 5 marks and a big star. Red. Which color you like? That color star I will give. Okay? So, you have to do it very, very neatly. Okay, so what picture you have to paste here? Brushing activity or bathing, brushing, bathing and waking up, and exercise picture and dressing up picture, any pictures which you get, the activities from morning, from waking up to get ready. How you will get ready, that activity pictures you have to do. Like this heading and all you have to write in the white page. Okay, so do it neatly on yourself. Take your help, mother's help or daddy's help. Okay, now D exercise. Color this through thought for the day. Now see, color this thought for the day. Now here we have double-lined letters. Early to bed, I have told already. Early to bed, early to rise. You can color each letter one color you can do. Okay, see here we have, you can do each letter one color. Okay, first line. Like that only. Health is makes us healthy, wealthy and wise. Early to bed, early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy and wise. There is a saying, thought of the day. Okay, so you color it. Each letter you can color. Okay, each letter in different color, then it looks colorful. Okay, you can finish off this coloring also. Okay, do it fast. Very good. Okay, now do with fun, another activity. So these two question and answers I am going to upload in the Google Classroom. I am going to upload it in the Google Classroom. I'll read out the questions. Do you think biting nails is a good habit? Ask your teacher why we should not keep long nails right here. Is it good habit to bite the nails? Biting the nails is good? No. So for that, no. Why we should not keep long nails? Because lots of germs accumulate, mud and all accumulate here. And when you are eating food, that dust and germs also will go into the stomach, I have already told you, and you will fall ill. So that only we should not keep the long nails. This answer I will upload in the Google Classroom. Now B, who helps you to clip your nails? Clip means I told no, with nail cutter you will trim. Clip means cutting of nails, trimming. Okay, you will trim your nails like this. Yes or no? So who will do? You will do. You don't know, your small children. If you cut the finger, you will get blood. So you don't do anything. Ask your mummy and daddy. Who will help you? Mummy and daddy only. Clip your nails. Yes or no? So who helps you to clip your nails? The second question. Who is helping you in your house? My mummy or my daddy helps me in clipping the nails. These two answers I will upload. These two answers also in the Google Classroom. You can copy down afterwards. Okay. Now there is a sticker activity. C exercise is sticker activity. Do it with fun. Paste the stickers of the things that you use to keep your body clean. Now you know where your stickers will be. You already know this because for 2 lessons you have done it. So in the textbook, last page you will have the stickers. Yes or no? Sticker page. Yes. So you have to paste the sticker by reading the question. Okay, I'll read the question. See, when my teeth are dirty, I use a, what you will use when your teeth are dirty? What you will use? I will use my tooth. What you will use? I will use my toothbrush. Yes, with the brush only you will clean your teeth, brush your teeth. Next, when my hair is untidy, I use my, when the hair is dirty, untidy, then what you will use? You will take the comb. Yes, you will take the comb and comb your hair. Yes or no? You will comb your hair. First one is, you will use your brush to brush your teeth clean. You will use your brush. So first box, brush sticker you have to paste. Second box, the comb picture. See, the comb picture you have to paste in the second box. Next one, when my nails are long, I use a, what you will use? I showed you the object. Nail cutter. What you will use? Nail cutter. What you will use? Nail cutter. So you have to paste it in the third box. Okay. Now next one. When my hands are dirty, I use soap or hand wash. Yes or no? You will use the soap or hand wash also you will use. Yes or no? Hand wash. Yes, you will use. So, you have here the picture what is given? Oh, soap. See here? Soap is given. So, you have to paste it here in the fourth box. When I am wet, I use a, what you will use? I use a towel. You will use a towel. Here towel is there. You can paste it. Yes. So all these stickers you can paste here. Okay. And you can do this sticker activity. Okay, all of you. And the next one, activity or project work. See, this also an activity or a project work. See, these things you will get in your house. Anywhere you need not go. Okay, what things you have to take, I will explain you. Find out the brand names of the things you use to keep your body clean. Okay, what things you will use to brush, what toothpaste you will use. Yes or no? What is the name of the toothpaste? I will use the close-up. What you will use? Sibaka, some children. Some children will use Meswak. Yes? So, some children will use, what you will use? You have to ask your parent if you don't know to read the name. Okay? So, I am using the close-up. I am using the close-up. So, you have to cut this box picture, this one, this part. You have ask your mommy to cut and you have to paste it like this in the activity book. Again, you have to put the heading in another page. In another page, again you will have the black color box like this in another white page. And there you have to write again lesson number 3, activity. Activity or project work. And from which page you are doing that? Page number also. This is 27 page. Okay. Like this heading of lesson name, date and activity in another page. This activity. Circle time C activity is in another page. And this activity is in another page. In the white page only. This also. So what you have to cut? First you can cut your toothpaste box. Don't cut the toothpaste box only the cover. You cut the cover and this part you can paste it in your activity book here. First one, toothpaste. And then soap cover. You will have the soap cover also, soap wrapper. Okay, you can cut the soap wrapper cover and you can paste it here. And like that only shampoo packets you will have. Let it dry. After using, let it dry in the hot sun. Then you can paste that shampoo packet. I'm showing the bottle. You will have the small shampoo packet, that cover also. Or on this sticker, if you have that sticker also, you can take and you can paste it here in the white page. And another thing, hair oil. See here, you have the hair oil. You will have the sticker on the bottle. Yes, and you can take slowly that sticker. Or if you have the box, that box cut, you paste it in the white page. Okay. So, like that, any brand name. See, this is Dabur. This is the Dabur. Dabur is the brand name of the oil, almond oil. Like that, Close-up. Close-up is the toothpaste brand name. Like that. So, you have to paste like that. You have to cut and paste them in the wrappers, in the white page, cover. Only the covers. Okay, wrappers. See, paste their wrappers in the scrapbook. In the scrapbook means the activity book which you are using. Will you do this? And for this also I will give you the marks. Okay. For this also I will give 5 marks. And a star. Okay. And a smiley also. Okay. So this one in page number 26 circle time C exercise. And in page number 27 activity or project work you have to do in the EVS HW. That means like one side rule book. Okay, all of you. Will you do this? Very good. And these question answers I will upload in the Google Classroom. Do with fun. A and B exercise question answers. You can copy down from there. Okay. Thank you.